akuve kusemqoko ukuthi ukwazi ukufunda kwisitha sakho sometimes sitha kuyonto for uyibuka inyonkoloze kuphela kodwa futhi sitha into for uyibuke ufunde kuyona yabona uANC neminyaka eminingi uANC labantu bafunde amakhono amaningi ngokulwa ngozepolitiki iningi lethu esifikelayo nje ipolitiki esingakawafundi sisenako thina ukuyihlomekela ngomoya ngokucasuka nangelukulukulo ukuthi sikhathele ibona alomzuzu bona ba-apply science abayifunda kumcindezeli from 1912 ukhongolose wakhiwa futhi kuyahlekisa ngoba kwayena umholi wethu umsholozi sometimes uyesibuka bothe hey kusekude phambili lezi zami safeza ithi ukufunda impela ngoba hayi konakele kuningi uthi mangabe ngempela engaqinisanga ekuanalyseni ipolitiki kahle nasekufundeni ayilokho ngolose ngeke wenze lutho building kakhe endala le kade ipolitiki iyakwazi ukuthi ukubuke nje kabili kathatha ibode la kusekude phambili la lo ayisafu usayilanda kakhulu kodwa futhi understand ukuthi I know all political classes were given to ANC none are given to MK njengamanje okungasho ukuthi ke asinawo amandla sinawo namakhono okufunda sofunda kodwa nje first qinisekise ukuthi siyayiphusha ekufundeni leye politiki ngoba bafowethu ayizelwa ngegazi kuphela ipolitiki eyifuna iscience njengoba ehleze esho umsholozi kusemqoka ukufunda isitheni sakho uyabona lokungasondela nje kumalungu kaANC ngokuthi ngumkhonto ngiseparlament I've learned a lot from them and I can tell you these guys are dangerous uyabona amalungu ANC babheda impela komasipala babheda impela kuhulumeni bayantshontsha bakwazi nakuyibamba kodwa uyabona when it comes to doing ANC politics hayi ama lecturer yey amalunga kaANC ayedabula ipolitiki kaANC yeke le development bayefeyila kakhulu they failed dismally nakhona futhi bayifail ngoba bengazi bafela ngoba banayo inhloso yokulungisa banenhloso yokuntshontsha kodwa yabona into engiyifundile kubona safesi ifunde emasosha ile yokushaya ipolitical organization iqonde thwi yeza iqondisa ipolitiki yazo lezinto uyabona bekubona inkinga wengosi bathatha manje basondeza eduze benze ukuthi ukubefrienda ngesingisi bebe samngani wakho ungagcina wena ususaba ukubagxeka ngoba sebengabangani bakho bayazi ukuthi how to work around umqondo wemember ye-opposition uyikhiphe kuyagenda ye-political party yayo ithi ukingasazi noma kufe igxeke noma kufe ingagxekini la konakele khona those guys so ibhola balidlala lisenyaweni zabo badlala lingekho enyaweni zabo ibhola lapho sama nabo la kuma oversight visits phume singene nabo la kuma provinces zokuhlukana kwawo uyabona treatment abazonika yona uzoyikhohlwa ukuthi umkhonto mawungasile la ekhanda uzoyikhohlwa futhi ukuthi mandate yakho ukuba i-opposition ngendlela nje abazokwe ngama ngayo bekuthande ngayo bekusondeze ngayo the language they speak uzoyithuka ungasazi ukusebenzela yipi party wena because they're smart here they're trained to be smart bathatha manje bewele bephesheya nawe kuthiwa yini lama trip lawa okuyofunda phesheya waphuma ama-members of parliament lapha ubuya lapha nomqondo wakho ungasasebenzi kahle mawunganakile ubuya ususaba ngisho umgxeka kuminister ubuya ususaba ngisho ugxeka izinto ezibhedayo abazenza uhulumeni ngoba bazokuphatha kahle and ungabakhohlwa futhi abantu besaka nezaka bayikhipha so ingakho ngithi ke maqabane mina ngiyayisho nje lento ngiyazi sensitive but ngiyayisho ngamabomu ingakho ngithi mina ke sidinga ukuthi ke sigade futhi sigadane ngoba ama personal interest ezikhatheni eziningi anako unakhuza ubypassa ama collective interest and uANC usebenza nawe lapha ku level ka personal interest they will sort you out to the point that you forget your agenda in parliament or in the position umkhonto okuthembe ngayo so uma nisithethwa lapha nisibuke nisilandele nisilalele futhi ulimi lethu ngoba sometimes ngokuthi hayi sesibamnandi khona usukhanda idleke sihle kabi la sekuhleli kuyanofozeleka kumnandi. So if backbound uyayithatha ibait bazoyifaka mo uzogcina usudlala ipolitiki yokumzela lo masibashaya complain wena kuqala hayi yehlisa comrade no phela ungaloku bashaye kakhulu yehlisa comrade so vele sidide uthi hayibo kwenzakalani manje nangu esenenkinga mangifaka induku phesheya Khongolose so nidwa nyambupulisa. They've been emzabalazweni from 1912. They know the science and the brain of the person, how it works, how to transform it, how to detach a person from the agenda. They work around your individual level of interest. They sort you out there. And once you sort it out, you fear to criticize them. Because ubungane bese bekwakhe nawe is at risk. You try now to protect the ship usunayo nama members that is akhona Khongolose. And in the process of that, you forget what you are brought for in parliament, what you are brought for in the position obekuyona, what you are brought for in the portfolio that you are in. So ngiyayisho ke lento lengabomu nje ngiyayisabalisa ngoba kufanele nje guys sigade nathi. For ubona masumngane kakhulu no ANC. To the point that usakwazi ubatshela mabebheka. The same way nala emkhontweni futhi. For ubona masiba umngane kakhulu nomuntu obhedayo. Ngoba usesikhundleni usakwazi ukumtshela cha. Mtshela nje umuntu uthi hayi my friend uyageja la. Maye ukuthi futhi uyakudikila lezo inyangana akudikile kodwa mtshela. Uyobuya ngelilanga sebodwa ayicaka hlahla. Umkhize weqinisile ngase mbheda. Funa manje kuyapanishwa. Mhlawumbe uyakhishwa eParliament noma kwenzakalani take it baba semzabalazweni. If the bullet comes your way you take it. But asoyidlala ipolitiki efiye bafowethu politiki obosheweshe ayilikhululizwe lo politiki mawufesi limale so limala siyazi abantu ama individual interest aba protector futhi they can even kill for it but igcineni kwelanga if we have to follow Steve Biko we have to follow Steve Biko if we have to follow Solomon Mahlangu we have to follow Solomon Mahlangu kwipolitiki singene sikwazi lo kodwa ke umlezo benguletha ke ngithi asisigade bafowethu ungafiki la uAC usibefriend khona bakwenzeki kuphela mazingene oParliament yayenzeka nalapha emawadini they can capture you at a what level uyithi upolitiki yakho sihumzela hayi phela bafowethu bagogo phela basekhaya singabashaya kakhulu hey la abanye vele bangabantu bethu bahleli nje lapha umuntu wethu uthina umuntu wethu ufake skipper esinale lokho le ongasifakile ufake sinale mbala emithathu hayi yena wethu lo muntu owethu ngapha akekho ngale kodwa mase becapture even kwi what level video level you speak language confusayo kwipolitiki uyabona futhi ongakhalaba mabe kunika iqatha ungalithathi uqhubeka ushaya ipolitiki le oyithunyiwe they come hard on you they bashithi game bethi hayi lo ngeke ashawe simzamile akazameki they come hard on you and in the process of coming hard on you they even turn your own comrades against you. They can even work on you using your leadership. Uthole seqhamuka ama complaints ongawatholi ngendlela oyiphatha ngayo. Uthi uyabuza ukuthi who's the complainant? Ungatshelwa. Tho ngenzeni kahle kahle ungatshelwa kodwa uzwe nje umoya ukuthi hayi ngeke khona ungabi happy ngawe. Uma ngathi how did the ANC penetrate my own leader to the point that izikhulume nami ngendlela engenza ngabe comfortable ngendlela engihupha ngayo ANC? Amaqiniso lawo yangihlaba esilo mina nje bazamile nje ukungithena against my own member ngahamba ngobaceba kulowo member bophela bebebhekene nencede la bebecathi iphuphu bona ncede mina ikhahlela kancede so ke asifundeni ke maqabane ngoba la emkhontweni siyazibhonya siyazibhokoza sibona ukubi kodwa ngathi kuma platforms asuprotect umkhonto asudayisa umkhonto ngendlela kahle hey fundani ANC babheda impela kuhulumeni isona sizathu dadom bebheda kuhulumeni kodwa still bebukeke be relevant in public ngoba they do ANC politics so well they can protect their organization they can sell their organization so well something that we don't do.